In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove any watermark from a PDF file using Microsoft Word in Windows, Mac, and Linux. If you have a PDF document with a watermark that you need to remove, Microsoft Word can sometimes help by converting the PDF into an editable Word document. Once the PDF is converted, you can remove the watermark and then save the document back as a PDF. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. This method works on Windows, Mac, and Linux when you have access to Microsoft Word through your available setup. Once Word is open, go to the File menu and select Open. Locate the PDF file that contains the watermark and open it in Microsoft Word. When you open a PDF file, Microsoft Word will display a message explaining that it will convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Select OK to continue. Word will now convert the PDF into a Word document. Depending on the size and complexity of the PDF, the layout may look slightly different after conversion. Take a moment to check the document and locate the watermark. If the watermark was converted into a Word watermark, go to the Design tab and look for the Watermark option. Click on it and select Remove Watermark. The watermark should now disappear from the document. If the watermark does not disappear using the Watermark option, it may have been converted into another type of object, such as an image or text element. In that case, select the watermark directly and remove it from the document. After removing the watermark, review the pages carefully. Check the text, images, spacing, and overall layout to make sure the conversion did not change anything important. Once everything looks correct, go back to the File menu and choose Save As. Select PDF as the file format and save the document. Your edited document will now be saved as a new PDF without the watermark. Keep in mind that this method works best when the watermark is part of the document structure and can be edited after Word converts the PDF. Some PDFs may contain watermarks that are embedded into the page as part of a single image. In those cases, Word may not be able to remove the watermark separately. Also, only remove watermarks from documents that you own or have permission to modify. Removing a watermark from someone else's protected work may violate their rights or the terms under which the document was provided. And that's how you can remove a watermark from a PDF file using Microsoft Word on Windows, Mac, and Linux. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,